back to Morris Lubricants.
Thank you.
Right, okay, so today I want to talk a little bit more about the improvements we made in our manufacturing infrastructure.
Yeah.
And today I'd like to talk about the bulk blender, which is behind you. So this is significant for us in terms of our capability to blend larger amounts of products, okay? So there's improvements in efficiency straight away, because if you can imagine if you're making 3 or 4 batches of material,
Yep.
or you're making 1 batch of material, what's the most efficient way of doing it? Of course, it's the bigger batch of material, essentially.
Yeah.
So what we've got behind us is capable of manufacturing up to 37,000 litres in one go, which is almost twice what we've been capable of before.
Right.
Yeah. So what that means as well is that we can also satisfy road tanker orders as well. So if somebody orders a road tanker of products, 28,000 litres or whatever, we can do it in one hit.
Is that a load 28,000 litres?
Yeah,
And this holds
roughly.
37,000 litres?
We can do up to 37,000
Okay,
litres
yeah.
in here, okay? So this has given us a significant improvement in our blending efficiency. And of course, with our infrastructure improved in terms of filling and dispatch and distribution, this is feeding that machine, if you like, as long as you've got the product, until you've got the product, you can't fill it, you can't dispatch it. So this has significantly improved how we manufacture and blend products. The mixing efficiency is greatly improved on this because not only have we got a big physical stirrer in
talking
there.
to Kim down there, ultrasonic, you use ultrasonic.
We've got ultrasonic, yeah. So we've got the ultrasonics. And I apologise for the noise, by the way. That's a stirring mechanism. So we're in a busy place. We've got pumps going and all sorts of things going on. But yeah, so combining the stirrer with ultrasonics speeds that process up significantly. And so ultrasonics are basically bombarding the molecules with sound waves, essentially, and agitating them. So that's quite a significant improvement in efficiencies. This is doubled our capacity though in one fell swoop.
You've doubled your capacity for blending oil now.
Absolutely.
With this new tank.
Yeah, so the batch blender's gone up. So like all of our systems here, it's all blended by weight. So this sits on weight sensing pads, okay, and the weight sense, so everything that goes into the blending tank is weighed in. It's that's a steam pressure relief valve for the heating system for the blender behind us. So it's a steam exchange mechanism for heating hot water that goes through a coil in the blender behind us to warm the product up. So that's what that noise was. You can see lots of valves behind us. All these are control valves. We've got, or computer control valves. We have the potential up to 40 different raw materials being metered accurately into this blending tank. We're currently using 32 of those potential inlets. But we've got some spare capacity if you want to bring more raw materials on stream. But it's all fully automated, essentially. So that takes away a lot of human error, and it makes the whole process more efficient because the computer will just literally build the blend behind us. We get very precise blending, and we're basically producing larger quantities, which improves our efficiency. So the whole thing is much more efficient in terms of time and energy than anything that we've had before this. Guys, I think it's important just to mention this was a bespoke facility, okay? So there's a lot of new technology in here, okay? There's a lot of dedicated pipe work you can see behind us, okay? Numerous.
Yeah.
But essentially what we had to try and do was to make sure that this would interface with the existing infrastructure that we have. Because obviously this is producing product and it's got to fit with the existing filling system and our new filling system that we've got installed.
There's a lot to take into account then.
An engineering challenge, but it's been pulled off, and as I say now, it's kind of a seamless flow of material from this site here into the filling area which we've seen previously.
And you've doubled your production to what you was before this tank?
In terms of batch sizes, yes we have, yeah. So it's a significant change for us. Our blending capacity has improved, our efficiency has improved, so we're ticking all the right boxes for our expansion as we see it, basically.
Right. Hey, well, if the call's there, you need to...
We need to satisfy it, so yeah.
Fair play. Well impressed.
Yeah, thank you very much, Guy. No problem. Thank you. So if you'd like to see any more content like this, visit the Morris Lubricants website or our YouTube channel.